Hello, how are you? My name is Robyn and this is my channel and I am feeling so wonderful. I am on my way back to recovery and I am on an unboxing, I don't know what you call it, just unboxing. So today I have my Be Kind by P.O.Box. Do not get this box, but I got an email that they were doing, I think it was 50% off. So I got it for like $39 and I think I don't know how much it normally costs, like $59 or something. So for $39, I'm like, count me in. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I do all sorts of videos, makeup, lifestyle, clothing, and my door's opening again, so give me 1 second. I do all sorts of videos. You never know what I'm going to be doing on my channel. I really don't do food videos because I don't cook. So yeah, no food videos here. But I do love to watch food videos just in case, like that one day I do decide to cook. And if you're returning, thank you as always for watching my channel. And I do have Instagram, so my Instagram is below, and so if you want to check that out, and if you ever want to do a collab with me, my email's below, my address is below, so if you ever want to do an exchange, I'm there. So I can't remember what is in this box. I think I got this once or twice, and it actually, I think the first time I received it, it had a doggy book, like all about dogs. And my mother was so into this book, I couldn't wait to get it to her. So I gave her the book. It was a beautiful colored hard copy book, and I brought it over to her and she just loved it. And I know Ellen does a lot of donations, which is awesome. I really don't watch her show, but I know she does a lot of good for people, and I like those kind of boxes. So let's get into it. Okay, so there is the Be Kind, and I guess it's got everything that's in here. So we can go through that. And then there is, oh, I think this was a little bag, a little handbag. And I'm a handbag collector. Although I don't go anywhere now, I do collect them. When I worked, I was changing my handbags every day. And I don't know why, because nobody really ever saw them. I'd go in to work, I would put it in a drawer, and nobody really saw them, except the people that worked there. Occasionally I would have lunch or I'd go to meetings, but nobody really ever saw my handbags. And so this must be the handbag, and is it adorable? It's kind of like a mauve pinkish color, and I've got, of course, my children coming in from Germany, which I won't stop talking about because I'm so excited to see them. And I have Michael Kors. I don't have any Louis Vuitton, but I have Michael Kors and I have Coach. But my daughter, total thrift shop. She had the same bag all through high school. all through college, all through like grad school. She could care less about a handbag. She could care less about clothing. It was always Goodwill. So she's kind of excited to come here so she can go to all the Goodwill shops. So, but this is just like her size. It's got the handle and it's got like this little snap. So this is just so perfect for her. She doesn't do nails. Like I had to force her when she got married, kicking and screaming to get her nails done for her wedding. She's just very simplistic. And when she comes in town, I'm gonna of course take pictures and I'll post some on my Instagram. But I do like this. It's really, really cute. So I'm hoping she'll like it too. So I do like that. I don't know if they put retail prices on here. I think they do. So do any of you get this? I know there's a couple that do because I believe I watched you. I do watch a lot of YouTube. Again, because I've been ill, so I stay home and I watch my YouTube. Let's see. Don't see where the prices are. This retails for $118. The samurabags.com. So I guess there's a website. So if you want to go look for more, but this gorgeous young lady, she's just styling that bag. So I'm hoping my daughter likes it. They're still in total lockdown in Germany. I mean, they can't, they can go to the grocery store, but they can't go see their friends. I think they can have one person over, which makes no sense. So like she can go, but her husband can't go. And so that's why they're coming here, because they can't get the vaccine. It's not down to their age group yet. So they're coming here. The next thing is break up with paper towels. I personally never had a relationship with a paper towel. Can't even get into this. Switch to cotton, wash and reuse them. Get free replacements. Oh, that's interesting. And I know my man goes through paper towels like crazy. And then when you, back in the time of COVID, when you would go to Costco and you couldn't get any paper towels or any toilet paper, it was like when they started releasing it, he got so much of it that our house, our extra bedroom is filled with it. So I don't see I'm interested in how, oh, here it is. Paper towels and toilet paper usage wipes out 94,000 trees. This is a $30 value. So I guess you just use them, wipe them, and wash them. Once you send back your used linens, they'll be sanitized and upcycled as cleaning towels in restaurants and kitchens. How cool is that? So, and they'll send you a fresh set of 3. So I guess there's 3 in here, and once I use them, I send them back and I get 3 more. Wow. I have to see how absorbent they are. I could choose probably 3 in a day. So that's pretty cool. I wonder if people do that. Did you get this box? Did you get these? Did you use them and send them back and get another 3? Very curious. And then this thing is, I think, the Fill It Forward. Be bold, be brave, be careful, be hopeful, be present, be patient, be kind. I don't know what to do with this. Your new water bottle, we call it your companion and leak proof. Also provides water to those in need. This is a $25 value. Not sure what we do with it. We're giving you a second sticker to gift to a friend so they can make an impact too. Fill It Forward has diverted over 5 million single-use plastic bottles, and contributions will help them continue to make a difference. So you fill it and give it to someone. Made in the USA, dishwasher safe. So is that what you do? You fill it and then give it to someone else? Oh, there's an app. Just put the sticker we've provided on your bottle and use the Fill It Forward app to scan it every time you fill it up. You can monitor your hydration on the app and track how your refills are simultaneously funding clean water projects across the globe. So the more you drink, the more it helps somebody. Interesting. Then we have this strawberry project. It's in there, so I don't want to. Of course I opened it upside down. Oh, I think I said it's jewelry. I'm thinking it's a bracelet. It's a gold bracelet. I think I did see that, but I didn't think it would come in packaging like that. Oh yeah. That's what it looks like. And this is a starfish project. This beautifully delicate bracelet was designed and handmade by the woman at Starfish Project. And this retails for $65. And is there a stone in there? I think there's a stone in the clasp, but I didn't take it out. That's pretty cool. And then I think I got something like this in one of my boxes, and I was looking forward to using it, but I haven't used it yet because I'm just trying to catch up on filming and organizing. And it's this Aceology, and I think if it's the same, you put it in the freezer. It's a $64 value. Let's see if this is the same thing. New Ice Globe facial massagers will help get you started. Pop them in the fridge and let them cool. And while you give yourself a relaxing facial massage, your ice globes will not only encourage better blood circulation and oxygenate your skin, but they will also help to shrink your pores. Yeah, I got something, but I don't think they were as big. This is the box. And of course, I won't be able to get this out. You know, I'm afraid that I'm gonna break it, so I'm not gonna take them out of the box, but I will show you. This is what they look like, and they're actually, it's like liquid in there. And so then you put them in, I guess, the refrigerator. I thought it was the freezer, but I guess it's the refrigerator, and they get so cold. And then you just roll them on your face. And I couldn't wait to use them. But every time I open boxes, and I do so many videos, I haven't organized yet. So what did you think of this box? As I said, I think it goes for like $59. It's a quarterly box, but they sent me an email that I could get it for like $39. And I'm like, that's not bad. So I like the handbag. If my daughter doesn't like it, I will definitely use it. I don't need two of the face things. So I might gift those to my sister, see if she likes them. The water bottle thing is nice. I'd have to do that app. And the bracelet I probably won't wear. I don't wear a lot of gold. And I will use these, but the chances of me shipping them back and getting new ones, I don't think so. So let me know what you thought of this. Let me know if you get this. Please comment below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.